Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you two important stories from South Sudan that many of you need to hear. One story is about the growing fear of youth vigilant group, what some leaders are calling a Gen Z army. The other story is about President Salva Kiir reshuffling top government and army positions, including the defense minister and the powerful Tiger division that got the presidency. Before we proceed with these stories, please, if the channel by subscribing, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be able to be notified. Former Warrap State Governor General Aliu Aliu has raised a serious warning. He said the rise of new youth group, army group, and vigilantes is a clear sign that the South Sudan government has failed to care for young people. Speaking at Stone International Church in Juba this past weekend, General Aliu said that the country is at risk because the youth have been ignored for too long. These are his words. I'm worried we have no future because we dare not give the youth the consent they need. General Aliu compared the young people of today with the famous Red Army, the children and teenagers who were part of the liberation struggle that brought South Sudan independence. He said the Red Army had a purpose to fight for freedom, but today youth, in his word, are becoming groups like the Niggers, Crew, Cattle Raider, Y Army, and now even a new group called Red Bill. He warned that if this generation, sometimes called Generation Z, is not given hope, the guidance, then they could destroy the country. This is not a small warning. He's saying clearly if the youth are not guided, included, and given opportunities, they will turn into restless army group. General Aliu's concern is that after independence, the youth were not included in development, not given job, not given real opportunities. Instead, they have been left in the street, left in cattle camp, left to find their own way. Now many of these youths are angry, unemployed, and feel forgotten. This anger is dangerous because it creates vigilantes, gangs, and militias. Let's think together. South Sudan is one of the youngest countries in the world. More than 7% of its population is youth under 30 years old. If this large group feel excluded, then truly, as General Aliu said, the future of the South Sudan is at risk. So what is the solution then? General Aliu said the president's office must make youth empowerment a special project. He urged the president, a special envoy, Adu Salva Kiir Mayadi, to put youth program at the center of her mission. This shows us one thing. The leaders themselves know the youth have been left out. The question is, will they act or will they continue to ignore it? Our second top story, this is very important. President Kiir reshuffle defense and Tiger division. Now, while General Aliu was warning about the youth, President Salva Kiir was busy reshuffling his government and the army. On Monday night, state television announced that Kiir had made a big appointment. Kiir Mayadit named a new deputy defense minister, a new commander of the presidential guard, and he also removed and replaced the minister of East African Community Affairs. Let us go step by step. Kiir appointed General James Kwang Chol as the new deputy minister of defense. Some of you may remember Kwang Chorale, the former governor of Upper Nile State. He held that position until just last week when he was removed from office. Many were surprised by his dismissal, but now it seems the president has chosen to bring him back into the government, this time in a powerful role within the National Defense Minister. The office of Deputy Minister of Defense had been vacant since March 2023, when the previous Deputy General Cholton Balok was elevated to serve as the full Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs. That promotion left the deputy seat open for more than a year and a half. Now with this appointment, the position is filled again, but the bigger story is not just about the position itself, it is about the politics behind it. To understand why this appointment is controversial, we need to go back to 2018 when South Sudan leaders signed the revitalized peace agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan. This agreement created a power-sharing system between the ruling SPLM party under President Salva Kiir Mayardit and the opposition SPLM-IO under first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. According to the deal, certain ministers and government positions were allocated to each side. The defense minister was among those carefully divided. While the ministerial post went to Kiir SPLM, the deputy minister position was meant to go to Machar SPLM-IO. This arrangement was designed to maintain a balance and prevent either side from dominating the security sector. However, by appointing Kwang Shorale, a loyalist to Kiir SPLM, the President Kiir Mayardit has effectively ignored the power-sharing arrangement. Instead of giving the deputy minister post to the opposition, he has kept it under his ruling party. This raises serious questions. Is the president consolidating more power for his camp? And what does this mean for the trust between Kiir and Machar? Let's take a moment to look at the man at the center of this story, General James Kwang Shorale. Kwang is a veteran military commander with long experience in South Sudan Army forces. He has shifted alliance in the past. At one time, is being associated with the SPLM-IO, but in the recent year, he has been firmly aligned with Kiir SPLM. As governor of Upper Nile, Kwang had the challenge of navigating ethnic tension and insecurity in the state, but his leadership was marked by both controversy and praise. By removing him into the defense minister, President Salva Kiir Mayardit appeared to be rewarding him with a powerful national role even after his removal from the governorship. So, how are the people reacting? Opposition figures in SPLM-IO are likely to see this as yet another breach of the peace agreement. For them, this decision undermines the spirit of power sharing and weakens their representation in the national security sectors. Civil society observers worry that such moves chip away at the fragile peace, eroding trust and cooperation among the signatories to the 2018 deal. Supporters of President Salva Kiir Mayardit argue that the president has the constitutional power to appoint ministers and deputies, and that national stability requires strong and loyal leadership in the defense minister. This split in reaction highlights the deep division that remains in South Sudanese politics. Now let us step back and consider the broader implication of this move. Well, peace agreements are risky. Every time an agreement is bypassed, it weakens the overall peace deal. If the opposition feels sidelined, they may lose faith in the power-sharing government. The Minister of Defense is one of the most powerful institutions in the country. By keeping both the minister and deputy under his party, President Salva Kiir ensured tighter control over the army forces. For Dr. Machar and SPLM-IO, this is another political blow. It limits their influence over national defense and could push them to reconsider their role in the unity government. With election expected in the near future, control of key ministers become even more important. Kiir may be preparing his party for dominance, while opposition group may feel increasingly marginalized. What happened next? The SPLM-IO could officially protest his appointment, possibly demanding that the agreement be respected. Regional and international partners, including IGAD and the Troika countries, may issue a statement urging both sides to stick to the peace deal. But if the decision stands, it may mark a turning point where power sharing becomes more symbolic than real. To conclude, the appointment of General James Kwangchol as a Deputy Minister of Defense may seem like a routine government reshuffle on the surface, but in reality, it is much more than that. It is a signal of how President Kiir is consolidating power, a test of how much the opposition will tolerate, and a reminder of how fragile South Sudan peace remains. For ordinary South Sudanese, the key question is simple. Will this political maneuvering bring stability and peace, or will they deepen mistrust and delay the dream of lasting unity? The second big change within the Tiger Division, also known as the Presidential Guard, Kiir promoted Brigadier General Valentino Bak Makwe to Major General and made him the new commander of the Tiger Division. He replaced General Philip Nyon, who had only been in the position since May this year. The Tiger Division is very important. It is the force that protects the president. It was made stronger during the Civil War in 2013 and is one of the most powerful units in the army. Analysts say Kiir keeps changing the commander of this division often. Why? To stop any one general from becoming too powerful. This is why, for him to control the army and make sure no commander can challenge him, he must be reshuffling everyone to keep power consolidated within his side. Kiir also removed Deng Alor Kol, senior politician from the former detainees group from the East African Community Affairs Ministry. He replaced him with Bany Gideon Mabur. This shows Kiir is not only reshuffling the army, but also adjusting political position to strengthen its control. A South Sudanese analyst, James Boboya, said these changes are not about reform, but about consolidating power. Boboya argued that Kiir used reshuffle to weaken people, then bring them back under his control. For example, Kwang was removed as a governor, but then given a new position under President close supervision. He also said that by changing Tiger Division commander, often Kiir weakened the army unity, but at the same time, it secured his own power. Boboya warned that mysteries like East African Community Affairs could become personal tool instead of serving the country if they are not given real decision-making power. So what do these stories tell us? One side, General Aliu is warning that the youth are angry, the youth are neglected, and forming dangerous group. If nothing is done, a country could face a new crisis. On the other side, President Salva Kiir Mayadi reshuffling leader in the army and government. But according to analysts, these moves are more about keeping power than solving the real problem of the country. Will the leader take General Aliu advice and invest in the youth, the majority of the population, or will the focus continue to be on political reshuffle, control of the army, and power game at the top? The future of this country depends on how leaders answer these questions. Joelin kono guatame banatin diala kono lat korodian ala kuma kilmi yadi sharoda nyoka megera rode kenya maken kono nyam gore jeno be nyak ler mishalat general aliu ken kono nyami jira me jidit guasame gore jen wojin deri channel me deri support deri subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mi chete mi bereda shwa mala shubugaji guasa dana pay lare twany me daramo ke support dan betup ka Changfied ban jome ban jelin kel kondia wuda me menen yena me jen shwale general aliu ayin aliu jen former Warab state governor chakona governor General Aliu ayin aliu jen te ka mishalat mi go liang bej ka gwaba chela do ne jeni kan group nit ki bonning went to jero tini to take a match wanyu the jenu shukume che boy ki che fail ko be netin konti la ngwani re wich ka South Sudan be dier ke tek den jen charach ana re dwel kod Michel K Stone International Church re wika Juba ka korgwa se paiwa General Aliu chela do nene jena wich we ka teach rodian lot ko ken ngwanten konde wikula realeka cha ka pel kume shukume che dier kaka kana me ngunyo do money nyu the jenu South Sudan tele future ko ken ngwanten content kule la South Sudan future cha ka pel lora ba ci General Aliu che ngwani ti cha ka par ke bon Michel ke Red Army no wal anu Red Army tiga kor ka gwadi dan ka gadi tieni kene tishilet ke taye dan e gor ka South Sudan keje ala liberation struggle dan rewika South Sudan ci Michel ke Red Army chelede lonko dongde South Sudan di jejek eret bela mo jenete konde de tin ke ngweni kenete tot chikenete dit kenete tone ke young men ken young men to shawre alkan obi ke struggle ke dini SPLA te konde te dor actual ke Red Army then ka kore kame cha realika shukan let baraina muge kenetin kontin langwenten kontempai benetama kala dana chalat keje wudi shal me General Aliu medan che wudi shal bol me che kon lat joran wo bol mel teleje power mo dong der ben ka by president keje ki der ko der je keje si reaction midi che to ko longane jen la roje lu latin konten dong de winang niam la kala de so jen mi te ke message me ko la nywa ke kelena te ke jom chalat gwasame she generation me ki ngwan titama ka che ka cholo chal ke generation Z no generation Z me bika we South Sudan bikana dak ko generation Z ala tidian chitene jen ka mobile phone chitene jen ka technology tetken teneken kamach shikan chet ka ngwan tentar ken tenrom ken mach ko kan chaka pal we lo chikku me dier ka ke General Aliu ken kan kamat ka development re which ka South Sudan acquiring content chaka pal we no chiga chutel choice dodien the no bi korodian moy ka bone no kan bonda to chikarodian chu moy ka mej batijel kaka ko kan wana dialati tinen kongati at ka mej ke chal garodian no y army chal karodian ni gas crew chal karodian ni red bell awaken ke ngwana te telet ke ngwana te kan moy kelet an sigu yutel choy ko bran bagang no hoke to no bran be jien bo gra den bagalo kan ke ba ko kwal che rajenu ngwen gur jeno de ki include ke development arawika South Sudan ko cha ka ignore ko gwam me bar ajen wi mona do dien ajen 70% population ke ngwane de te karuni jandang jo ano kan ngwana dialti kan ngwana ko la wi la jad naknya but che South Sudan che ki ignore ko gwam me bar ko kuje moni kan ngwana titi bikan South Sudan bikan a deal yar unless shikume cha writing ka do badana dong der ti dialti der kari ala keje General Aliu arame la roje long latin kon dong de South Sudan der gwa keje la kala de jen chamet katin kon lat ke kirmi yadit ko jen ngeje gwa no wi dakane je kir ka do dana la de keje General Aliu chela do nene ngweni dialti ti charen mo ka meti gore jeno de ko convince ka do badana de kan gono de wije je lat keje bad wij baje kula lat de ka jeno sikir mi yadi chenok kir use force nanga ngwane de shika nyok ke dir ka community la ka ke ba bom jen nen yana na wijane nyin kan karodien no chardien mat ko te ke nei ti to kwale use de kon to capture me shal ka red bela pai form ka jongle ki bor kan ke ngwane bor tiche gujeno bekan community ken bekan ka gang but in another way ka joma chalat ken point ken wa ne den kono moy ke yoko bi ko uniform ne buka ko match tega ne rewe ke Juba ka kwaradit te very powerful people within Juba ku kan kale use but cha ngajeno nga bal ngai ken jeno dong dera kon manyang juko ramkel ke Michael Makwelwet ken ne te ken kon shala dong de te tin ka red bell ngoda ba kana confirm te mishit na mo bar go ke no ta dan te tin chiri ngayen no wane chawna no ken de kum da dol ga ka rai bor wachi ken lok in a state chikanu ambush na kana ki yet kan kana na mamle ro den tama rai wichin binami shi uri shalka me general aliu ayenya aliu ke kula de wone na gor jeno de na de kan dir kanetin kon tin la tilangwene ko ngwene kanetin kon tin dong de mal de jeno ka de Sudan de jeri ale ka ban mu cha pel ka ta cha pel ka jemo jentel mu gambro da lat achana nyoko murai kon ke kui self ke mi yadi na me a big change akan kono ni am please ku subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel kan kono ka ler ko ken ler ban lingwas me ler very important gwan ni chikir mi yadi cha kwaran wan cha ka kapin na me a big change kan yod jeno chikir mi yadi cha roda rock ka tisha je de mal wo ke je ban jom ban je linkel ko very important please nyaka ni ko ken ko ku subscribe ana bana wuten lehera me bana linga President Salva Kiir me yadit ala kwer ndana ke spele jen ke jailat ke tiangbe gwan mi writing ke television SSBC yala do ne ne chene to wan chaka watch ne me big appointment jen che new deputy defense minister che jakwan che new commander ke presidential guard che jakwan jen bo chana chaka watch no che minister of East African community affairs che watch kacha gwade dia che mu karada din kenyam chana right kaman chalat Kiir me yadi gwasmeni gore jeno bana jon yam bana jeling ala new deputy defense minister chaja kam kwang chorale gwasame chaja kwan ala Ramadan en ala deputy gwada position me dan chiremi cha Simon Gadwe do chaja promise ko jandere jejek baratama cha fall under wudi shalka me kwang chorale ngai kona jen former governor of Apanale pai watch pan ka je ke jogan pai chaja watch karara din wuden shalka Jacob dollar cha wudi shalka me cha gwa kwang chorale chaja mo karan ka kore chu kwang chorale pointe chelela jeram dana cha bu kwanyen tama Kiir me yadi che kwanya ala deputy defense minister position me position me di position tot ye kame no dobe woy ke Kiir dobe woy ke kwanga Kiir me yadi ke jem wuje je ko jen be jomo ko position do den ala jen position cha kame gwasu me cha kam kwang chorale be adil ngajeno position me tin mutera mi cha latin wal changara matot tera mi cha latin ramedan e cha latin wal wa e wudi shala sholton balog but cha kulo woitin antama cha deputy minister cha ja kam kwang chorale no and deputy minister me poinde wa shi dun kuma Kiir me yadit yen e dun kuma spelayo under first by president Dr. Machar according to power sharing edan e cha tani wal cha de kam ni je kwang chorale ki kuma spelim la kuma da poinde Kiir me yadit la na mene murai na ke power sharing ngod power sharing tetin en deputy minister deputy defense minister e dun kuma spelayo tan jamala de nena alla kuma spelayo ko gwade dan me cha mal cha jata in 2018 no cha alla do ba power sharing ba jalat ka ken rundi alati ni ke 2023 she appointed an deputy minister ke deputy defense minister cha yu pellora bang no liep karam ba kame no medan shala do deja kam SPLIO kit gwang faction lo deja kam gadwel but ka kore shi gadwel shena cha go jakalo cha wode for the konong but be kan jala chai pen anyok bojana wa te under Dr. Machar and position mi ka position menen ajen me te ka run dangraw ka jem ko right now 2025 ka jen pal ka jen ga 2023 ka kui power sharing cha go jeno daro ko kuma SPLIO badantama cha to gono Kiir me yadit cha power ke lewu cha jakan cha jelo cha rode ajen mi kwanya kwang chorale ka jamo alla deputy defense minister lo mo nyono shi power sharing ke 2018 peace agreement da na cha tan Dr. Machar kene Kiir me yadit cha nyoda no chetel gwat ke chetel Kiir wajen lerenim shale power consolidating ala kwerke liu gure jeno brother soron kanetin kon tin ngada netin kon tim medekeje chene dial chega gore jen mu woje kwangchora le ka governor ka penal ko jen January yaga nak jane ga chega joj gwadaran tikatin so deje dil reward ala tok cha kwang cha chu reward ke deputy depend minister jen dan le roden tama ci kwang ke chwa kwer de ni merewde position di chi position tot mugoro de kon dial tika ngeten kwang chora le gwege jen wono dong chi power che le bacha deal upgrade ni je kuma kirma yadit ko jin mi jiram mo mi ci dollar la tok lo shi mandana gor kirma yadit ci jalat ci nego yega nakke ci ga joy ke ci ngule den bi deal tika power den power mo den baji moy kamado den so chere keri wat ka kwang chora le chenya do diena chalat gwase me kirma yadit kirma yadit che ramkel ka tiger division no cheja watch ka che gware she kunyara dien ka joran chala de gwal so ramadan la men la bodyguard by the way ngayena tiger division kwara mendit no ki presidential guard ne to konti la kira la kanaga jen che brigadier general Valentino Bak Makwe cheje nanka major general kache la new commander ka tiger division ko ba jogam she wuri shal ke general Philip nyon cheje wuch mi titin atoga ke cheje kwa ni ka jen pai dije dan la pai dije pai ka ron chin daro jandang ro dije me ramadan la kuar ka tiger division cheje wuch la tiger division by the way very important along ko jen kaneten kona ganga Kiir ko Kiir gore jen wo be bename be jeri aleka ade yu jogono na an tiger division ano chai jakam bum ne ka gwade dana ci korche to ga 2013 mention worka na jang ci gnyi rai ki Juba civil war 2013 cha tiger division unit cha jaga ne bom ka jen one of the most powerful unit in the army that are protecting Kiir sha kula do ne na wa duobe me mi la Kiir mi yadi la na la ka gare ka jama la rama gere ba la chen ken jan be general be gere ke general do dien la lugo no ne bramo mo betika power midit ke betika long midit ko mi chaja ngach anetin content en wana mo lo chaja ngach de ni an woti ka bom dong dir je ro le le no woti ka mineni dong dir Kiir point dir yan mach so kujmo ko cha gor then ba Kiir mi yadi be jidil woj before can take a power akani recognize and to kero ningi kaka this is a way for him to control the army and make sure no commander can challenge him jen do bran gorjen o charge bi challenge netin koken so Kiir use the mutual power consolidating lo la ja kwanya wala ka be juj baradien be nongrun ko she gorno you have to be you have to be powerful she gorm shenamo gorjeno be ba monji ka long to long den be jawo keji be jagop nyok again lat ke Kiir me yadi jinamo right now she reshuffle me che lat ke very big along man diana che Kiir me yadi che lat no she would shala den a lora call che jawo jene senior politician ka former detainee group jen take East Africa Community Affairs Minister jala kwartenono cha gwadre cha jakam radin Michel ga ban Gideon Mabor na me nyud jen o ta danen Kiir mi yadit garana ka je nyud jen o jen gorno benedi albaga control ka betaka power ke betaka bom jen ta dan deten la South Sudanese analysis ne konti la rikla ka gwich radin Michel James Boboya jala do onene alanne me ala change seti te la Kiir mi yadi lara ma wojeme baradien be nyo mo kwanyeje tenyuno there's a reform no ne me Michel ka consolidating power Mr. ma woy ka woj radien tele chenyaten but gornje no be power ke liberty keje a way of consolidating power or be power but keje ke lwanke li bala dundu teram biji wan gwadre dien ke biji tom ke bungulel nothing medene yo kenalel kon whoever mishi we roale bi would be moy karada den son wena mo be baramo be jago be tega par mi didelong mi tera den mi bil watch shela do no Kiir me yadit jagne ko ken ka week jagne ko ken ka telot ko la ja kwanya ka be je watch den be telwang mi tegeje ngai ko ne she kwang shora le she je watch ka governor nyok chuja moy ke new position. Why? Ngum kwanya ja ngum wo ja ka governor ka bayele wo promote la deputy defense minister ka jamana. You know, alo gur jen wodi ne dialen kon tin lat ka lade tin nakna ka shode baka non ko roda ker ko these are the people tin konen be gang tin be gang power. You know, anyan ta da le roda je anyo ngai kone antam sinan men go brarden mi donchi la let bi non ko roda gur jen tel mu dien mi bele lat kuje mi gero be power ke li bi consolidate ke be bela lwangdu so terara dien mi bele ben ke la nyamo nyanta dan guine je konshora le chala de chala chen wari ga nak chaga juch gon dial ne ke helicopter ke chemically but at the end of the day chaja wo ka chaja promote deputy defense minister chima tot a power medit nyok kirim yadit jagro da ko be election be control bene dial kon gujen wo de nang niam den be kan non ko roda kel ko ngejen wo konshora le right now chalu ko la tok anwari den be gorono beje use you know jenta dan lede jeje jen makam ka je position mission mo but ngai ko na gwano queen kwang shorale ala position ante tin chi dunde e dung kume espelayo so mo malu ben bu kwang shorale be ben pin ka power sharing let's power sharing chetel la 2018 peace agreement which collapse and then bekir me yadid but continue command an lede manda diena ta dana cha East African community affair cha wikeje alo anet contin la we are right win in East Africa ke Uganda, Kenya, Ethiopia, all the part when Tanzania, all these places can deal Congo, Rwanda, all these places chakwenen chajo charande milad dunde chebe kwa inko gore changte milad ko gwada mi jen bineka bika jakon so we mean that whatever me de lat me don't can it can influence ka jebe chwa jagana rande one of point she don't country ka na me for personal gain ka jo rana shalat ke je so chana diale shana ke linga ta da na shika to kaje ban jinga je gwan wo ne na tin ko lat ko re we ka South Sudan right now chimal chedetin so what do these stories tell us? And please subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel. On one side we talk about General Aliu warning that the youth are hungry, neglected and forming dangerous group. If nothing is done, the country could face a new crisis. On the other side, President Salva Kiir Mayardit reshuffling leader in the army and government. But according to analysis, these moves are more about keeping power than solving the real problem of the country. South Sudan stands at a crossroad where the leader take General Aliu advice and invest in the youth or not. Well, thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.